Selling your holdings using Pre-EDIS. If you haven't submitted your POA or DDPI for your demat account, then this video is for you. You can simply use the CDSL Pre-EDIS authorization to sell your holdings seamlessly. You have to simply go to the Touch 2.0 dashboard. Click on the report icon. Click on Holdings Report. Post login on the Holdings section at the top of the page. Then go to the EDIS authorization. Select the scripts you want to authorize and click on Verify TPIN. You will be redirected to the CDSL authorization page. Click on Verify. For authorization, you will receive the CDSL TPIN on your registered mobile number and email address. Selected stocks will be authorized for debit in your demat account. In case you don't receive it or forgot your TPIN, you can generate from the Generate TPIN. Press OK. Please note, this authorization is valid for the trading day only. This makes the selling process easy, as good as buying and trading experience on Tradebulls Touch 2.0 is. Ab trading, sabke bas ki baat hai. Get started now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.